Hey beauties, it's Danny here, Sigma Beauty's global makeup artist. Today I'm going to show you how to create this everyday makeup look featuring our new cream blushes. So keep on watching if you want to see how I got this look. Alright, let's start off by applying some foundation. I've been loving using my face contour brush from the Kristen Dominique brush set. And for every day, I just use like a light to medium coverage serum foundation. And for any areas that I feel like I need a little bit more coverage, that's when I'll take my Spectrum Color Correcting Duo with my Kristen Dominique eye and nose contour brush. And I'll apply it in areas that I want a little more coverage. I love patting this into my nose because it really helps like fill in the pores. I'm gonna get right on the inner corner as well. I'm going to brighten up the under eye area with some concealer, and I'm gonna blend this out with my 40HD Kabuki brush. And then we'll take some setting powder, turn the brush over to another side, and you can use that to apply your powder. Going to apply a little bit of a cream contour with the F83 curved Kabuki brush. Alright, let's warm up the complexion a little bit further with my matte bronzer. I'm going to use the shade medium because I really like the undertone of this for warming up my complexion. So I have my F24 all over powder brush. It's nice and fluffy, which is exactly what I want because I really want to do just like a light dusting of this. Alright, let's get into the cream blushes. I have been testing these cream blushes forever and I'm so excited that we're finally releasing them because I have been using them in so many videos, but of course I couldn't say anything. So I'm so excited to finally show you what I've been using. We have 4 shades of the cream blushes. They are so beautiful and glowy and creamy. They just blend into the skin like so nicely. Let's see if I can hold all these up. Look at those. I love how you have like a coral option, a pinky option, more of a nude rose color, and then like a deep raspberry shade. Like these are all so beautiful. And I've been really loving using 2 shades. So first I'll take Corta Rosa. And I love using my F76 chiseled cheek brush. And I'll just put some on my brush and just kind of tap it on the back of my hand to really work that product into the brush. So that way when you're placing it on your cheek, you're not gonna get like a splotch. So I've been liking Corta Rosa kind of on the back of my cheek, into the cheekbone area, and the wear on these blushes are incredible. Once they set into place, they are going to stay all day. I find that sometimes blushes fade throughout the day. These do not. And then I've been loving to take Pashmina, which is the pinkier shade. I'll take that on my Kristen Dominique angled cheek brush. And I love adding just a little pop of this pink right on the apples. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to the eyes. First, I'm gonna take care of my brows and fill those in. I have my Fill and Blend brow pencil in the shade Light. A lot of times, this is all I do is just have like a fresh complexion and groomed brows, and I feel put together. But if I am doing an eye look for the day, I think the palette I reached for most recently is my Diana Saldana palette. So let's prime the eyes first. I have Persuade eyeshadow base primer. With my E38 diffused crease brush, I'm gonna take the shade Goals. I'm gonna apply this into the crease. And then I'll take the shade Peonies, which is this beautiful pinky champagne sparkly shade up here. And with my E54 medium sweeper brush, I'm just gonna apply that onto the lid. And then on my E15 flat definer brush, I like to just smudge a little color into the upper lash line for definition. And I love combining these two shades here, the shade Coffee and 212. But I love mixing them because I like the depth of the coffee shade, but I love the warmth of 212. And then taking my E42 Precision Firm Blender, I'm gonna blend that in a little bit, just to soften that line. And with any excess on the brush, I'll just kind of like run it on the outer corner. On a fluffy tapered brush, this is the E45 small tapered blending, I am going to do a little brow highlight with the shade Inspired. I'm using a fluffy brush because I just want very little amount. And just a little bit of that on the inner corner. Any excess I have on the E42 Precision Firm, just run that onto the lower lash line. Then we're gonna add some Sinuosity Lash Mascara. And sometimes I'll wear false lashes, but day to day, I'm just rocking with some mascara. For lips, I added a little bit of Pashmina. I just want like a sheer wash of color. Then I'm gonna add Tint Renew Lip Oil. I use this every day. It's my favorite lip oil. Using a little hint of that color from your cheeks on your lips really kind of pulls everything in and makes the look really cohesive. I want to add just a little more blush with the shade Pashmina. And I'm just going to use my finger. Yes. And the great thing about these blushes is they layer beautifully, either with multiple cream products. If you want to put this over a powdered blush or even under a powdered blush, they work so well with different formulas and textures. And that is my completed everyday makeup. Let's do a close-up here. Alright everybody, I hope you love this tutorial. I think it's an easy look to recreate at home. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!